Alright, I start live transmitting my operating. I also have to in YouTube, and I have to log in to MS Team. Hold on time. Multimedia. There's no multimedia here. Alright, but it's okay. I'm lecturing, so I don't need to open Teams right now. Okay. So right. 今天在用我的下载。因为我们现在有在让就是那个权限，然后我们有进去，然后要等待你。可是我上个礼拜有开啦，又移掉。好，那我等一下再看一下。可是弄部分的话有麻烦，其实电子都不能用。我的不能用，因为苹果的部分，苹果的他没有就这种。我再开一次。当建立资本的时候，那就你现在来开始用。那它其实是那个就是对，按右键就有。就是你要哪一个建立部分，你就按右键，然后从它的前期到的建立部分。好了，好了。然后有看到我们那个要求。有，因为要关闭。好了。Alright, so let's continue. Alright. Okay. Great. Now I'm gonna open up the review. How do we crack the entire SketchUp final times? Okay. So first, switch the monitor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Alright. When you got the file, obtain the file and decompress it. Right. Right-click 7-zip. Decompress it here. And go into the decompressed folder, and then double click it and install it. Set up. After you complete the entire installation process, and there will be 3 shortcuts generated by the installation process, and this is the only one we have to do in the entire semester. SketchUp, and this is layout. Help you to make a range for your presentation. And this is style builder. How do we make an art style for your SketchUp? The tool does not affect your 3D modeling design. We just crack it, okay? And then there's a replacement folder. Copy the entire files in this replacement folder, and then right-click the shortcut, open file location, so that you will directly into the installation folder. Then right-click, paste everything recover it. Okay, replace all files here, so that you complete the entire crack process. And I open the SketchUp at this time, so the replacement will fail because I still open the exe, which may fail to recover by the crack file. Okay, so remember, when you want to crack everything, you have to stop every program at the same time. Okay, so you have to close SketchUp here. In other words, okay. And when you go into that and just go to the clean environment, this is a clean environment, but delete, and I delete the female guy here. And the first thing we have to do is try to show everything in the SketchUp. View toolbar here, and if you are green hand here, you have to check everything. My keyboard is fell. Okay, the space key fell. Okay, space key fell. Okay, right. Okay, and close everything. I close the pop-up menu, and also I did not want to introduce how we save file, load file, because it's too easy. And remove the getting start here. Okay, so preserve everything here. Such arrangement like me. Okay, do that. Okay, you have to make sure you have the measurement here. Okay, when you miss this status bar, it will fail to guide you to make a precision measurement. Okay, which is very important. Toolbar, view toolbar here. And one more thing to tell you, we have to tweak your computer performance. Now I'm going to tell you how we tweak it. I think no teacher will tell you how we tweak the Windows system. Okay, first, in Win 10, Win 7, you don't need to do that. In Win 10, there's the settings and update and security. Here, go into Windows Defender, and if you don't have any Defender here, you have to check your Windows version, update to the enterprise version. Okay, Windows security and virus and thread protection here, and close a thread. Okay, manage settings. Okay, close everything. Speeds, it will boost your computer performance here, very fast. Okay, if you have the other virus detection system, like I think I encourage everybody to use Tencent. Okay, Tencent, a very light virus detection software. Okay, very light if you use that. Okay, first step, disable every Windows virus protection software. The second step, stop Windows update. Okay, stop Windows update. Okay, uncheck that. Okay, advanced options, off. Yes, you have to do off. Okay, make sure that. Finally, right click your computer settings, advanced system settings. I always used to do the performance. Okay, just adjust to the best performance here. Okay, apply it. And then if you have more than 16 gigabyte RAM in your computer or laptop here, change here. Do you have study operating system? Before patch 4. Okay, no patch 5. Okay, no patch 5 is good. Okay, if you maybe third year, okay, operating system will tell you when we miss the file hit, it will directly go to the hard drive. If we have the data or the instruction set in RAM, it will directly access the RAM. Cache, and then RAM, and then hard drive. If you have no enough RAM size, it will allocate the page files in hard drive, which will cause your file system slow and RAM access slow. But if you, at the same time, if you have enough, strong enough, and large enough RAM size, it will be very good for you to boost the entire system performance. Okay, so we check the no page file. It will directly use the RAM, directly use the entire RAM rather than allocating more page files in your hard drive, which is very slow. Okay, in comparison to RAM. Okay, even though you use M.2 SAT SSD. Okay, and then check OK. So the first step for AC student, you should aware your computer have been boosted through this way. Okay, and then we're going back to the here. Okay, the first step is try to arrange everything here. Okay, the second step, view animation settings. If you fail to select the suitable units for Taiwan. In Taiwan, in most oriented countries, we use decimal centimeter. Okay, millimeter, centimeter, meters. Okay, kilometers. And for our geometry design, we use centimeter is enough. If you are a Western country, you probably use inches. Okay, probably you probably use inches. But sorry, in Taiwan we use decimal centimeters. Okay, so make sure your measurement and scales to us. Okay, and match with us. Okay. Switch back. Okay. Guys, you should know that I share my desktop here. Okay, so everybody still can. When you work offline, you still can find my screen on the projector. 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. You should get a copy from you're downloading. Okay, just wait. Do you have flash? You should make a flash drive. Prepare a flash drive, and every time you could use a flash drive, install it, preventing from downloading from Google. Okay. Now we are in a stable environment in Minchuan because this semester we have migrated in time. according to the school government, the policy, they migrate from research network into ADSL. So sometimes you feel each one is not stable.然后呢？怎么样？不用登录，为什么要登录？那他会怎么输出？就按存档就好。对。Can I switch? No. Hmm? OK 啦，应该。Hurry up. All right. Hurry up, hurry up. Right. This is our agenda today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, and goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 geometries design today. Today. Or maybe next week. Usually next week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think we'll probably design number 5 next week. Perhaps. Okay. So everybody, are you ready? Yes, great. Ready? Ready to go? Ready to go. Okay. Let me switch back. Okay. I have to try to see my mouse. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right. First step here. Prevent from type shift. Prevent from Chinese input. Okay. Otherwise, our shortcut will be failed. Okay. In this lecture, I'm going to use shortcut hotkeys instead of mouse click because it will speed up my design. And first things to tell you, this is a drawing tools. Here, drawing tools tell you how we make lines or arbitrary line. Okay, and rectangle, rotated rectangle, circle, and polygon here. And our first lecture is to our first lecture. Sorry, first lecture is to design a cube. You know what is a cube? Every edge size is the same. Okay, edge size is the same. It's a cube. Okay, and we have to design the cube. First things first one is to use a line. Okay, see the length here. We can use a line. What is cube? You have to define your cube edge size. Okay, usually I define 333. Okay, 333. Make sure you have the 333 here, or you can use a freehand pan tool to drag and use a wheel button to zoom out. Zoom out. Okay, try to make a good view. Is very important. good view if you want to work here. The original point give you a great reference point, and then this is 333. Where is 333? Okay, test your hand capability, detail capability. 333. Okay, 333. All right, 333. All right, good. Click it. All right, so this is our first 333. Takes more time than previous year. I'm getting older. Um, 333 still the same. Here you have to watch out. This is a very beginning practice and exercise for you to zoom in and zoom out and to make use of the views. Here, 333. Following the green axis. Okay, following the green axis. If you can't, okay, right here. And if you have two lines, to form a cube is much easier. Okay, so perpendicular with this red axis, and then follow it. See, there's a dotted line here. Or you can move your mouse button. Mouse cursor, and referee to your suitable position and click and click. So you form a 333, 333. This is a label tool. Tell you the measurement. Yeah. Okay. Label tool. Okay. Guide you the dimension. And then next step is to use a I think you should use side view here, and then use a line tool to draw the line along with a blue axis. Okay, along with the blue axis. 333. If you still fail to 333, zoom in, zoom in. Sorry, zoom in. Not every time you need to do that. Only the except it for the first time. Okay. Later I'm gonna tell you how we speed up this design. Okay, 333. Okay, still the same. If you have 333, okay, along with that, okay, this is the auto reference line. Okay, so help you, okay, see if the right axis does not appear here, you can use that to okay, and then relink it. Okay, almost done. I think almost done. And then going to another view or here. Okay, right click. No, sorry, left click. And if you see the transparency view, uncheck it. And this is X-ray. Later I'm going to use the X-ray to help you to know what going on inside your object. Okay, 333, 333. And okay, uncheck the X-ray view. Okay, 333. Right, it's your turn. If you draw it, later I'm going to tell you you have to make a copy. Okay, make a copy. 可以 check attendance。李耀鹏、洪孝伦董真 ，OK， 温婷、唐华奎、黄木奇、戴威 ，OK， 卢雨辰、钟晴雅、古佩君、包林恩 ，All right， 对 ，Mohammed， no， Tamir， OK， Ibad, no. He is Mongolian. Okay. 陆晨祥. All right. Tron. Okay. Tron, I'm going to uncheck your last week. Okay. Right. You know that H dragging your entire drag. You know what is drag? Hang on this right? Yes. This is all built to okay? Okay, English, please. Right? No. All right? Oh, it's time. Right? Next, I'm gonna switch back. Okay. Um, I think I have no time. Okay. 1 hour passed. Okay. Five, four, three, two, one, switch. Okay. Next, I'm gonna tell you how we create in a better way, not the best way. Okay. Create this in a better way. Okay. Level two. If you work the first step, you will probably feel so horrible when you used to want to create a line with a predefined major. So this is very horrible. If we work with the instruction, it will be much easier. Okay, let me eliminate it, everything. Okay, still everybody you need to use a pan tool. The shortcut is H to drag the entire screen, or the orbit tool to orbit to give an orbit view to your entire geometry. Okay, and then can you use a measurement tool instead. First, sorry, I'm gonna introduce the tape measure tool to give you the reference line. The reference line give you an exact measure, exact, not inexact. Okay, exact measure. Okay, try to follow like this way. I use this as the basic axis. Okay, drag here. Okay, 333. Hey teacher, still 333. Don't worry. Put any location, any position is okay, but make sure your reference line should be followed by the right axis. Okay, along with the right axis. Okay, click here. See this 333. Okay, so you will directly generate a 333. Okay, next 333, enter, it will generate and 333. So sorry, type major tool 333. Okay, enter. Okay, so you have the type major tool. Okay, 333. Okay, 333. No, 333 from now on. 333. Okay, and still the same. Okay, okay, 333, and still the same. And now I'm going to tell you, if you have the physical line here, you could directly follow this physical line to drag the physical reference line. Okay, 333, enter. Okay, see, there's a 333, and then just use the 333 here. Okay, don't worry. Oh, 老师, hey, why? My line is arbitrary too lengthy. Don't worry, just cut it. Just cut it. Use the eraser. Yeah, cut it. Okay, and then 333. Hey, 老师 teacher. No, don't worry. Okay, 333. Still the same. Okay, 333. And now you have to give a better view. Okay, make sure green axis. Okay, green axis. Great. Okay, give it and then remove it. Now, probably you probably know. Well, no. Why, teacher? You should tell me this before. But I have to tell you everything. We have the order. Okay. If you make sure you learn the skill one, and skill two, and skill three, so that you can permutate everything by your skill set. Okay. Okay. Try that. Okay. Try to use a reference line. I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. And then later I'm going to introduce a rectangle tool. Why I have to draw an arbitrary lengthy over length line, because I'm going to tip, because I have to show you how we remove or cut it by the eraser. Okay? Today, skill very important. In the future, probably you will know. Hey, fortunately, I learned such eraser in lecture one. Are you ready? Second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, switch. Next, I'm going to tell you how we create this cube in a better way. Much better way. Okay? Still, we remove that. Now, I'm going to tell you the rectangle tool, which is very powerful to create and speed up create a rectangle. Okay? Watch out. The line is only one axis. It means you only have one dimension. Sorry. But the rectangle tool gives you two dimensions. Okay, width and height. Okay, width and height. So you have to, if you want to create a rectangle, you need to give two dimensions. That means x1, okay, or width or height. Okay, so see rectangle, see here. The format is a little bit different from line tool. It adds a comma, okay, as a comma, okay, as a comma. So if I want to create that similar in a similar way, use that, okay. Create arbitrary rectangle. Okay, sorry, forget to introduce a dotted line. Dotted line means square, okay, means square. Height and width the same, okay. And if I want to create a arbitrary size, okay, and then type, see here, comma 333, comma 333, okay, directly shrink to 333, okay. If you still want to create better, okay, the second, okay, smaller is still the same, 333, it will automatically enlarge to it, okay. The second step is to create it, use the same tool. Now I just use the side view here. 333, see? You can link the 2 point 333, 333, okay? 333. And if you have created two rectangles perpendicular with each other, it's also, that means you don't need to create the other in a 333 instruction way. So you just pin the two corners here. See? Two corners. Okay. Drag here. Two corners. Okay. And two corners to make sure you create a rectangle here. Okay. Still 333. Okay. 333. Right? So it's much better way. Hey teacher, why you just tell me earlier? Waste my time. I'm troubling my finger. Sorry. You have to do at the beginning stage, okay? Every time, every semester, I was blessed by those words. Flame. Just make a cup of coffee. Okay, ready? Okay, switch back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. All right. Next, I'm going to tell you a most powerful way to create cube. Okay, let me introduce a push and pull tool. Okay, push and pull tool. Okay, still the same if you want to create a rectangle. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, next step, use a push and pull tool. Okay, this is a push and pull tool. Okay, directly use that. Okay, push and pull tool. 3, 3, 3. So if you familiar with this skill, 5 seconds, within 5 seconds you can create in comparison to the beginning step. Oh, 5 minutes, 5 seconds. But you have to work. Then there's no shortcut in learning, but they have shortcut in computer. Okay, so you have to do that. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, and I have to tell you, introduce more of the push and pull. Now today, the tools we learned so far is very important to form the basic in the future to create very complicated geometries. Okay, if it shows you, hey, wait, teacher, my geometry is in blue. Why is your geometry is in white? You see the difference when I work with different directions. If it gives you the different color, that means it's negative, and the white means positive value. For architecture, there's no effect, there's no feeling for architecture. All I want to see is just the color. So I can use a material to paint with different colors like that. Okay, we can use pink color. Professor Wang will like this color. Wang Litian will probably love this color. Okay, this is color. But for computer science guys, that gives a for engineering. That means that's negative. Okay, negative value, negative drag drop, or negative push and pull. So this is the main difference. Okay, so let's shrink it, and then going back again, rectangle 3, 3, 3, comma 3, 3, 3, and push and pull. Shortcut is P. 3, 3, 3. Okay, so that's it. Okay, 3, 3, 3. And if you work familiar with this, use a see my projector. Yeah. We want know what means a magic cube? Equally divided into three parts. Okay, equally divided into three parts. So that's why I choose 333. Each part is 111. Okay, 111. Okay. So if you want to create a cube, all right. Sorry, this is a label tool. Okay, this is a reference line. Okay, 111. Now 11. Sorry, 111. Okay, 111. Okay, 111. You can double click it. Okay, double click it. Okay, 111. Following this. See my technique? Yeah. Okay, 111. 111. Okay, okay, 111. And then still 111. Okay. Now you can following these lines to form your magic cube. Okay, okay, magic cube. Okay. So if you work with this, I encourage everybody use the line tool. Okay, or rectangle. Use that. Use that. Okay. Okay, you can use that. Okay. Use that. Okay. Use that. This gives you the magic cube. Okay, except for the other three surfaces. Okay, and don't forget to remove all the reference lines. Okay, all the reference lines. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I tell you two things, guys: push and pull and reference line. Okay, okay. See, this is a combo technique. Those are combo technique. Okay. Through. Finished? No? Microphone problem. If I stop microphone, there will be no sound effect in my live stream. I know the problem. Cable microphone. Can I switch back? Yes. 1 more minute. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, strictly switch. Okay, 1 minute is up. Now I'm going to tell you, I will introduce the next more complicated geometry design. Pyramid. You know what is a pyramid? Hey guys, you know what is pyramid? What's the form? What's the fundamental in the bottom? Square, rectangle, or triangle? You know? Remember, try to recall. What is a pyramid bottom? Rectangle, square, or triangle? In pyramid. Pyramid. You know what is a pyramid? Pyramid, yes. Yes. Bottom. What is the bottom? Square, yes. Should be square. Okay, so the same, square. Now switch back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. If I want to create a pyramid, here, square should be to form this. And then still use the same 3, 3, 3 to do that. But remember, for each edges or each surface in pyramid, side surfaces should be triangle, right? Triangle. Now we want to obtain the top center point. Okay, top center point. How we obtain the top center point? Simply just link edges here or two edges. I think one edge is enough because there is a midpoint here. Okay, use the midpoint here. Okay, but I try to figure it with much more edges to show you, to illustrate how we form the pyramid top. Okay, and then gives an X-ray. See the transparency view. Okay, now we can see there's something inside. Okay, instead of the physical object. Okay, see something inside. Okay, try to link it. Okay, try to link it. It forms a physic triangle. Okay, so you see, pyramid is done. Now the only way we have to do is try to remove the redundant part. Okay, see, and then go back. You can see we have finished pyramid. Okay, okay. If you want to make a bottom, push and pull, so you can extend this like a hat. Okay, if you want to create more, you can see there's a push away and create a step. Okay, you create a step like me. Create a step here. Okay, see, right? Right? So it's your turn. If you don't know how to do that, let me show you on the projector monitor. Okay, see, this is pyramid. I think pyramid is enough. You don't need to create a steps here. Stair design will probably week 4. Okay, will be introduced in week 4. Okay, lots of steps. Okay, lots of steps, more than 100. Okay, and you don't need to create 100 steps, and you don't need to copy and paste 100 times. Okay, just type the instructions. It will automatically generate 100 or 1000 steps for your staircase. Okay. Right. right? Okay. Okay. Now, okay, can I switch back? Think probably everybody just have well done, great. Okay. Now we're gonna create first exercise. The first exercise here in class. Don't worry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Um, see the projector. This is my mouse cursor. Go back. Drag back. Okay. See our second exercise. Is try to which one or two. Okay. Maybe probably here. Okay. So once you have done that, okay, keep one copy of your cube. Okay. Keep one copy of your magic cube. How we select the entire object? Maybe you can use mouse to give a border, select it, or triple click it. One click, select one object. Double click, select the object that connected to this your selection in the surface in the same plane. Triple click, select the entire 3D object if they are all connected to their selection. Okay, triple click it, copy, Control C or Control V here. So you can make a copy. Hey guys, do you know how we create this or this? You should know this is SketchUp cube similar to this. Okay, very similar, very similar. Okay, next I'm going to tell you introduce the offset tool. Very similar. So next work is I give you 10 or 20 minutes to create the two objects. Okay, by yourself. Okay, I don't want to demonstrate how we create it. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, it's your turn. And I'm going to show you on the projected monitor. Don't worry. Projected monitor. Okay, projected monitors. Okay, you can always referee the projected monitor. Okay. Finish? Not yet, I think. Not yet. It's 11, 10. Let me check. Yes, one, two, okay. All right, so let me switch back. I think probably everybody is okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. The first demonstration for you is that create a SketchUp cube. Create SketchUp cube is very easy. Just try to use a push and pull tool. If you push and pull one step and then next step is try to double click it, it will remember your previous push, the offset previous. Okay, so you just double click it, it will push to the same position. Okay, and then remove all the lines here. Okay, so the first SketchUp cube you can finish it in a very efficient way. And then the second, let me remember. All right, so that's like that. Okay, so it's still the same. Easy. Done. And then, okay, then next step, and then we can remove it redundant line. Okay, okay, is that okay? Okay, just like this. Try to use a push and pull. Okay, try to use a push and pull tool. Okay, then next. Sorry, I have to drag my screen back from my projector. Where's my mouse? Back. Next is that this. I think this. We should create this. Okay. The only advice I give you is try to dig the hole first. Okay. You need to do the hole first, and then you can push and pull on the other hand. Okay. Okay. Switch back. Go back. Okay. Finish. All right. Great. Okay. Next. Create that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch back. I think create such the geometry is a little bit different from previous objects. Okay. And first step, we have to dig the hole first, and then make sure you have this hole. If you forget to do that, or if you feel terrible or difficult to do that, hey teacher, how do I shrink that? You just go back here on face, or move your mouse to the same surface, okay, or line here, and then release your button. If you still see, if you still, hey teacher, why this face is here? Delete it, okay? Just delete it, okay? And then next step, all right. And then link two lines, okay? And then push and pull. Sorry, okay? The same. So I do the mirror case. You can do the mirror case, okay? Similarly, okay? Mirror case similar, okay? Mirror case on the other hand, okay? Mirror case, okay? Any problem? If you have no problem, next is say before our class dismiss time. We still have time. 3 minutes? 40? Are we 40? 11:40, right? Okay. Next. This. Okay. Let me switch back. Okay. Try to do that. I'm going to have Finish. If you have finished, you can go home. Let's dismiss. See you next week. If you haven't, see you next week. You don't need to send it. Or you can wait until 11:40. Okay, 11:40. Don't forget the cat. Okay, go. Next week I'm gonna start from new. Tell you guys the offset. Offset tool. And the other tools that help you rotate it, and give us arbitrary angles and move to any position that you want. No, you don't need to save it. You don't need to save it. Hey guys, you still miss one like that, okay? Like this, don't forget that. Okay. Yes. Okay, class dismissed. See you next week.